She was a little bit rainy last night, but that's okay, because I stayed nice and dry in here. I just finished wiping all the water off of this. Last night it went down to like 5 degrees, but I was actually nice and warm in here. Let me show you a quick little look around to the inside. Just packing up all my stuff there now. But yeah, it was super nice in this thing last night. I stayed nice and dry. Yeah, it was fantastic. So we're gonna get all our stuff put away, and we're gonna go over here. Unfortunately, it's a really cloudy, gloomy, chilly day today, so it's kind of disappointed. The whole reason why I wanted to bring this car here was to take the top off and go for a rip up the coast with the top off on a nice hot and sunny day, you know, but that's not going to be today. Oh. So to put this thing away properly, you know, like make sure everything's all tucked in nice, folded nice and all that kind of stuff, like make sure it's done pretty well. One person, it probably takes just under 10 minutes. Just imagine what it's like. You got two people traveling with you. All right, let's go get some grub. It is currently just after 7 a.m. These guys are opening up and I'm hungry. You know, I was just going over some footage on the phone here. I do all my videotaping with my phone and like GoPros and stuff like that, but this trip just brought the phone. So I was going through some old footage, and I was going to make a video on the lift of the Jeep. Lost all the video, it's all gone. No idea. Well, tide's partially in today. It was really out last night. It's up a little bit more, let's check it out. See, just in case you haven't seen it in any of my other videos, I'm up come out here. These are those little people I was talking about. A little path goes all the way out into the water. Let's go look like a tourist. I gotta go see what's out here. Gotta look in the water. Ooh, squishy. The seaweed is squishy. Great food there, guys. Fantastic food. Pretty cool art gallery too. Ah, look at her all out there, all by herself, just itching for the road. I see you, buddy. I see you. I'm coming. We're gonna go for a good rip today. Unfortunately, there won't be any sun, so it's gonna be kind of sucky. I was gonna say something else, didn't you? Let's make sure everything is working. Everything's latched for now. Here, I'm having an issue with these damn latches. Stupid me forgot the friggin' key at home to lock these things so they like stay locked. So, on the back roads, things get a little bumpy. These little latches tend to wiggle themselves free, and this whole thing is just open, sitting there, flopping around a bit. But gonna have to go find myself a ratchet strap and go from that little hitch thingy all the way up to the front just to hold this thing down while I'm driving. But let's check those lights here now. Yeah, we're still good. Awesome. Let's go. We found one. Now we gotta go get the strap and let's fix this thing. Boom. There we go. We got her all strapped down. Just went through the garbage. She ain't going anywhere now, man. Wait. That ain't going anywhere. You know what's brutal about being out here? Like, come out here, I look at everything, I'm just totally amazed with just the sights, the views, everything about this just totally amazes me. But the people out here, they probably thought the same thing when they first moved here, but now it's like, yeah, whatever, they don't care. You know, it's kind of sad, really. But I've been looking out here, and I've been looking at I've seen so many seals sunbathing. There's a whole bunch out there. I've seen so many seals now, it's gotten boring. There's so many seals out here. I've never seen a seal out here every time I've been out here. This is a first for me. The whole shore is covered in damn seals. It's awesome. If you listen carefully, you can hear them. Probably won't pick it up on the camera. The big boy's over there. Let's see if I can do this without getting out of the car. Nope, can't see it from here. It's Aol is the name of the big honking bugger there. It's anytime I've been out here, I've never seen it working. It's never spinning. Has anyone ever seen that thing actually spin? Like, I mean, it puts these guys to shame. That big bugger right there. Does that thing ever spin?
Take the next right onto Quebec 132 Est.
Est. So I'm making it a point of this trip to stop and smell the roses a little bit more than just driving and looking at everything, you know, and seeing all the ocean drives and all that kind of stuff. I'm actually gonna go and take a look at stuff. I wonder if I can get down to the water over here. Old guy fishing with a bunch of cobra neck death chickens. You really don't get a good look at the ocean when you're sitting this low in your freaking car, do you? I haven't seen his guardrail. Oh, I can see through the guardrail.